show you. And it's gonna be a big day today kasi mayroon akong ipaparenovate dito sa bahay, and that's gonna be happening today for the next 3 days. Actually, yung bigay sa akin ng contractor. So, I'm so excited. Nakikita nyo sa mga video ko, I'm just walking with Diva, my dog, playing golf. But I have a goal in my life. So, ayun. Unti-unti kong ipaparenovate itong bahay. And this is the big, I think this is the massive decision that I did for this house. And yun na nga, ayun. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung gagawin. Magre-ready lang ako kasi it's already 7:10 na ng umaga. And I don't know what time and the contractor's coming. So, yeah. Kung napapanood nyo dun sa dati kong mga videos, mga old videos ko, mayroon ditong shoe rack, like that one. So, tinanggal ko. Actually, ito yung sapatos. Tinanggal ko kasi para mayroon silang space to do the changing of this door. So, this is my breakfast. And my coffee. They're already here. So that stuff, it's from my bedroom. So I'm gonna show you the finish of this one. I'll change the curtain. All right, that one. I don't think it's needing to put some blinds there because it's already dark. What do you think? See? I'm so happy. So, ito yung So, ayun na nga. Natapos na rin yung gumagawa ng aking windows and door. So, lahat ng windows sa taas ay natapos din. So, tomorrow, they were saying they're going to start dito sa living room. Kasi may isang big windows. Then, yung mga sa front door and back doors with the windows naman. So, quite happy. I'm so amazed. Alam mo yun, achievement ko to. Very good. You want tips? You want to go out na? Second day ng pagpapagawa ng windows and doors namin. So, ito, yung aming front door. So, hopefully gagawin nila to ngayon. And then, ito yung living room windows. So, ganito siya. 2 big windows lang siya. Pero magiging iba yung design nito mamaya. Ayan. Bago ko ipapakita yung back doors and back door and yung window sa back doors namin ay magsasapatos muna ako. Kailangan kong ilabas yung aking sasakyan. Sobrang ingay talaga ng washing machine. Kasi dapat kagabi ako maglaba. Nagkaroon ng problema sa tubig dito. Kaya nagpanic na naman si ako. So, hopefully, magiging labas natin yung sasakyan para yung work ban ng mga nagtatrabaho is aray! Hindi pa ako nagkakape actually. Hindi rin ako
My ex used to have a bit of...
Krispy Kreme shops and selected supermarkets. Or some emoji at all.
It's my new windows and doors. My new window set. And this is my new doors. this is what it look like inside my front door. So just a big glass. It's a long glass just to have a natural light. So, yan.